Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find a measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon having 12 sides. So we need to find a relation which connects the number of sides with the value of each interior angle. So there is a relation which says that number of sides number measure of each interior angle. So the relation says that measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon, measure of each interior angle is given by 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2 whole upon n, where n is the number of sides, where n equals number of sides of the regular polygon. Now according to the question, n is given as 12. N is given as 12. Therefore, measure of each interior angle, measure of each interior angle will be equals to 180 multiplied by n minus 2, which is 12 minus 2, which will be equals 10 whole divided upon 12. Now 180 when divided by 12 will give us 15, and 15 multiplied by 10 will become 150. Therefore, measure of each interior angle, measure of each interior angle will be equals 150 degrees. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.